You're listening to TALRadio powered by Touch a Life Foundation, and this is Foodology. I'm radio host Devansh, and on this show, I talk about the enormous world of a little word called food. It's so hot outside these days, and personally, I don't like to eat too much during such a weather. I crave easy to make and digest foods, and especially fluids. Iceberg lettuce, red plum tomatoes, black and green olives, raw onions. Does this remind you of something? Well, obviously, salads. There is no food product or food recipe that screams fresh, nutritious, and healthy like a salad. The best thing about the salad is that they do not take a lot of time to make. Making salads is easy. There are also salads that can be preserved and used for later. The best part is that they are one of the most versatile food categories in the world of food. Apart from a few thumb rules, the best part is there are no rules. Throw up some greens, cut up some leftover veggies in your fridge, season them, drizzle with olive oil and some lemon juice, and there you go. Simple, right? Keep in mind that simple does not mean effortless. When it comes to making a great salad, knowing how and what you're doing is much important. Though a restaurant green salad can often be a throwaway dish, it can also be a crunchy, nuanced dream. A prototype of balanced flavor. Most people don't realize that our body needs a certain number of calories to perform its functions efficiently. Most beginners who want to diet start eating salads for all their meals, thinking that they need to eat less to lose weight. That's just not true. Eating less doesn't mean starving yourself. Just eating lettuce with a blob of creamy dressing and some cherry tomatoes is not the right thing to do. In fact, this could lead to slower metabolism, which in turn can make you gain weight in the long run. Nowadays, more and more food joints are luring people with a variety of salads that are not actually healthy. To make the salad tasty and tempting, they decorate them with high-calorie toppings such as thick cream cheese or mayonnaise. Thus, the whole idea of consuming less calories completely goes to waste. A healthy salad should include fresh and crunchy vegetables topped with a few spices and a low-calorie oil. Although, I'm not a professional to go for when it comes to dietary advice, but I can certainly help you understand this term better so that you can easily navigate making a perfect salad. Don't worry, it's easy, no rocket science. Just understand the main components of your salad and your intent, and then you're good to construct your own salad around it. Just like I say in all the episodes, it's super important and fun to understand the history of something to get to know it better. So, to begin with, let's dive into the history of salads. When you take your time to ponder upon this huge world of salads, there are a few questions which might pop up in your head, like how did eating a bunch of vegetables, greens, dressings become a global phenomenon? Let's tackle a basic question first. What is salad? Salad can be an entree or side dish that is prepared and contains a mixture of ingredients, and it is intended to be eaten cold. The ingredients could be vegetables, pasta, beans, seafood, eggs, meat, rice, and even fruits. Okay, now to the history. The Egyptians are credited for the first successful cultivation of plants in around 2700 BC. Most importantly, the plants which would change the course of salads. One most important component of a lot of salads is lettuce, and Egyptians found a way to cultivate lettuce. Over time, the Egyptians bred their wild type of lettuce to have leaves that were less bitter and were more palatable. They viewed lettuce as a symbol of fertility and ate it to gain strength. The Greeks learned how to grow lettuce from the Egyptians. They used it in medical treatments and as a regular food item. Even in Greek mythology, Aphrodite's lover, Adonis, was killed in a bed of lettuce by a boar. The Greeks passed their lettuce growing knowledge to the Romans, who named the plant lactusa, meaning milk, after the white sap which comes out from the plant. In time, lactusa became the English word lettuce. During that healthy, raw food diet craze, Hippocrates sparked a huge debate when he declared that eating raw vegetables in a salad before supper helps to clear the intestines of obstructions. Salads were quite popular among European royalty, and chefs at that time made salads extravagant by making one salad with more than 40 ingredients. Because of this, people started eating lettuce with other raw vegetables, herbs, spices, oils, and meats even more. When salads reached Britain, women were afraid of eating too much of it because the lettuce was believed to cause infertility. In the 1400s, a much larger variety of lettuce was available throughout Europe, and it was Christopher Columbus who brought lettuce seeds to the New World. It was in the Americas that the crisp-head lettuces were created to tackle the problem of perishability. Farmers and scientists created lettuce which was not only fresh but also crispy. And that's how iceberg lettuce was born. Iceberg quickly became the most popular lettuce in the US because they not only traveled better but they also had a better shelf life as compared to the other lettuce varieties. Now, lettuce was not only limited to salads, but other savory dishes saw the use of lettuce as well. With the invention of mayonnaise, nobody foresaw that the salad game would never be the same. Mayonnaise is said to be the invention of the French chef in 1756. Flavors and recipes started circulating along with different additions to mayonnaise. The combination of these oil and mayonnaise-based dressings increased the popularity and love for salads even more. In the 20th century, thanks to the new preserving techniques that gave way for the salad dressing industry to bloom, now so many packaged salad dressings were available in the market, making it convenient for everyone. Okay, enough with the history lesson. Let's talk about practical things. How can you craft up a delicious salad at home? Easy peasy. Just understand the 4 basic components of a salad and you're good to go. Even though there are so many types of salads available like bound ones, tossed ones, fruit salads, but all of them have 3 to 4 main components. Once you get a basic understanding of these components, you'd be able to make so many different salads. These components are base, body, dressing, and some people emphasize on garnish. Let's talk about the base first. The base of a salad is actually the greens that line the bottom of a salad. Well, that's not the case for dessert or fruit salads. A lot of salads are constructed upon this base, so it is very crucial to pick the right base, which can hold the ingredients. You can make a salad with a couple of different types of base, including different colors of cabbages, iceberg, lettuce, mustard, greens, arugula, romaine, and so much more. The next comes the body, and it is the most important component. The body of a salad contains the main content of the salad, including meat, vegetables, fruits, and whatnot. Usually salads have a few different types of food that can complete the body. This is also the most versatile and flexible component. It can include anything from chicken, carrots, cucumbers, avocados, eggs, and other meats and vegetables. It's all up to you. Then comes the dressing. The dressing of a salad is a liquid or semi-liquid that will be dispersed thoroughly to coat the body of the salad. The dressing brings the salad together to make it taste refreshing. Salad dressings can be acidic, sweet, salty, or creamy. They can be vinaigrette-based or mayonnaise-based dressings. The keyword here is slicked, not drowned. One of the most common mistakes that people at home make in a salad is overdressing it. Another important thing to note is the selection of an appropriate dressing according to the base and body of the salad, to make sure that the flavors complement each other very well. Lastly comes the garnish. The garnish of a salad is a food or a herb that will go on top of the salad for added decoration and color and enhance the flavor of the salad. It can be anything like Parmesan cheese, nuts, sesame seeds, dried berries, etc. There are quite a lot of types of salads, like bound salads, in which the body is held together with the help of a thick dressing like mayonnaise. Tossed salads, where the ingredients are tossed, obviously. Meat-based salads, vegetable salads, constructed salad, dessert and fruit salads, and whatnot. This all might sound overwhelming to you, but you can decide from anything, or even make a salad from the leftovers in your fridge. You can either throw some lettuce, tomatoes, avocado, cooked chicken with some oil-based dressing, and you're good to go. Or you can create a really fancy fruit salad. Another option is to create any classical salad, whose recipes are simply available all throughout the internet. Anyone can make a salad. It's no rocket science. But not everyone can make a good salad. For that, there are certain basic things which I usually overlook, but they can play a very important role in how your end result is. I've said this before, and I'll say it again. People think that salad is just eating veggies with some dressing. No, it's not. A good salad is a balance of flavors, textures, colors, and nutrients, which means that your salad is not complete if it does not have the right balance between any of these. For example, using greens and veggies alongside having some form of protein like meat or tofu and some form of carb and some fat like nuts, avocados, oil and cheese. Just remember, keep it balanced. You can make your salads more dynamic and substantial by playing around with the ingredients. Not everything in a salad needs to be raw. For example, you can maybe grill your bell peppers or roast the tomatoes before adding them. You must de-seed watery vegetables like tomatoes and cucumbers before using them in a salad. Tossing salads is not a show of strength or a showing off of fancy salad tossers that you just bought. Tossing a salad should be very gentle with your fingertips so as to not bruise the leaves. You should use the biggest size bowl to avoid overcrowding and messing up your salad. Every additional ingredient should bring a contrast in flavor or texture. If the salad is primarily crunchy, add something soft. If it is sweet, add something salty or bitter. If it is on the richer side, use some acid to nudge it back to a balance. Salads are the perfect place to use up whatever herbs you have in your refrigerator. But you can also lean all the way in and use the leafier herbs like cilantro and parsley. Toss the cilantro in a taco salad, basil in some tomato mozzarella salad, and mint with feta and olive salad. Apart from adding moisture, dressings should be such that they bring out the freshness of the ingredients in a salad. You should only dress your salads right before serving, otherwise the greens and other ingredients might get soggy. Any crunchy ingredients like roasted nuts, seeds or croutons should be served inside individual bowls so as they retain their crunchiness and do not get soggy from the dressing. Salad is firmly in fashion. Rather than a meal accompaniment, usually it takes the center stage as a main meal in itself. So a lot of consumers these days want salads that are filling, healthy and delicious. These days, salad bars are quite popular. Although they are well established in Western countries, this trend is emerging in the eastern parts of the globe. A salad bar is a buffet-style table or counter at a restaurant or food market on which salad components are provided for the customers to assemble their own salad plates. Interesting, right? Most salad bars provide lettuce, chopped tomatoes, assorted raw vegetables, sliced vegetables, dried bread croutons, shredded cheese, various types of dressings, and all that. Some salad bars also have additional food items such as cooked cold meats, cooked beans, deviled eggs, cold pasta, corn chips, bread rolls, and fresh cut fruit slices. Prior to the pandemic, salad bars were quite popular because they drove customers right to the shop in person. But now, people are working more at home. For salad bars to work, customers need to use them quickly or the food quality will spoil. While the exposed foods and shared utensils associated with salad bars can also raise a red flag, especially in the post-pandemic times. A lot of packed salads can be seen on grocery store counters. In this era, it's not just what's in the salad that counts. Consumers expect packaging innovations too, from resealable lids to easy-to-open packaging for quick access. This is what's important too. But no matter what, there's nothing more fresh than a salad made at home with love. Well, I know that I've given you the basics and I believe that you can make a delicious salad for yourself and your loved ones. Thank you so much for sticking around with me on this episode of Foodology. I had an incredible time talking to you. This is radio host Devansh, signing off. Hope you have a beautiful and a magical day ahead. See you soon.